Most home theater gear looks like a cluttered relic from the 90s, with way too many buttons and tiny blinking lights that drive you crazy in a dark room. This latest receiver from the team at Yamaha completely flips that script. It swaps out that messy look for a sleek, glass-like front panel and one massive volume knob right in the center. It feels modern and intentional. When you first fire it up, you realize this isn't just about the aesthetics. It packs enough muscle to drive 7 different speakers and 2 subwoofers at the exact same time. That means you can have sound coming from every corner of your living space, including from high above your head. If you have ever wanted that feeling of rain falling from the ceiling or a jet flying right over your seat, this is the brain that makes it happen. You get plenty of power sent to your main channels, which is more than enough to fill a large room with clean, crisp audio. It handles movies with a heavy cinematic punch, but it also treats your music with a balanced touch that sounds incredibly natural. For the gamers out there, this thing is a massive win. It supports the absolute highest video resolutions available today. We are talking about ultra-smooth motion and high refresh rates that make your newest gaming consoles feel lightning fast and responsive. It includes specialized technology to stop screen tearing and reduce lag to basically nothing. You get several high-speed connection ports on the back that are specifically tuned for that ultra-high-speed data flow. Setting it up feels remarkably simple because it comes with a tiny calibration microphone. You just plug it in and set it on your favorite chair. The receiver then plays a series of chirps and tones to map out the acoustics of your room. It measures the distance to every speaker and figures out how the sound bounces off your walls. It then corrects itself automatically to make sure every seat in the house is the best seat. You do not even have to worry about running long, ugly wires across your floor for the rear speakers. It works with a special wireless system that lets you use compatible speakers over your home network. You can control every single setting from your phone using an app that links up your whole house. If you want jazz in the kitchen and an action movie in the den, it handles that without breaking a sweat. It even works with your favorite streaming services and lets you beam music straight from your phone or tablet using the latest wireless standards. It really feels like the missing piece for anyone trying to build a truly future-proof entertainment hub. You get the best of both worlds because it is smart enough to handle the latest video standards but simple enough for anyone to operate. Connecting your television is a breeze, using a single high-bandwidth cord to send audio back to the receiver. It simplifies the whole mess of wires behind your furniture. This is clearly built for someone who wants serious performance without the headache of a professional installation. It is refined, it is powerful, and it transforms a basic TV night into a full-blown event. Every explosion feels heavier and every whisper feels closer. It is the kind of upgrade that makes you want to re-watch your entire movie collection just to hear what you have been missing. It is time to stop settling for thin, tinny TV speakers, and finally hear what those directors intended for you to experience.